Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: SSID, password, and a broadcasting router. Now start on the console. From the home screen, open the guide and go to Profile and System, then Settings. Once in Settings, choose General, then Network Settings. You do this so the Xbox can scan for nearby networks and present the correct SSID choices. Make sure to keep the controller paired and stay within range. If the console prompts to update the system, accept it. Updates often fix networking bugs and improve compatibility. Once done with network settings, select Set up Wireless Network so the Xbox will list available SSIDs. You should see your router name, select it, and enter the password exactly as entered on your router. Case and symbols matter. If your network is hidden, choose Enter Network manually and type the SSID and select the correct security type, typically WPA2. After entering credentials, the Xbox authenticates with the router. This is where correct password and security type ensure a successful handshake and IP assignment. After connecting, run test network connection so you confirm IP address, latency, and NAT type. This tells you if online play will work. If the Xbox fails to connect or stalls on authentication, restart the router and then the console, because simple reboots clear transient problems. Make sure router MAC filtering is off or add the Xbox MAC. If issues persist, switch Wi-Fi channels, move closer, or use an Ethernet cable. And remember, changing security from WPA to WPA2 can resolve compatibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.